Most people think a professional server setup requires a massive room and a loud cooling system, but this compact black box might just prove them wrong. The RackPath 9U Professional Wall Mount Server Cabinet is a sleek solution for anyone tired of seeing a mess of wires and overheating gear cluttering up their workspace. At first glance, the matte black alloy steel finish gives it a serious, industrial look that fits perfectly in a home office or a dedicated server closet. It stands about 19 inches high and 23 inches wide, making it the sweet spot for those who need professional organization without sacrificing an entire floor's worth of space. What really sets this unit apart is the attention to airflow and cable hygiene. It comes equipped with 2 premium cooling fans that are surprisingly quiet, which is a massive relief if the cabinet is mounted anywhere near a workstation. There is no need to worry about switches or routers hitting critical temperatures during heavy data transfers. Managing the inevitable bird's nest of Ethernet cables is also handled brilliantly by a removable top brush panel. This allows for feeding wires through while keeping dust out, maintaining a clean aesthetic that usually takes hours of extra work to achieve. Inside, the cabinet offers about 16.5 inches of usable depth from front to back. The mounting rails are fully adjustable and feature standard square holes, so fitting in a patch panel, a power strip, or a shelf is a breeze. Despite its compact size, the reinforced welded frame can support up to 150 pounds. That is a lot of heavy-duty networking gear for a wall-mounted unit. It feels incredibly sturdy once it is bolted down, giving the peace of mind that expensive hardware is secure. Whether building a sophisticated home lab or upgrading a small business network, this cabinet offers the perfect balance of durability and accessibility. It is a rugged, well-ventilated, and highly organized housing that turns a chaotic pile of electronics into a professional-grade command center.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.